What is VLAN? VLAN is Virtual Local Area Network. It is a method through which we can divide one physical network into multiple small logical networks, irrespective of their geographical locations. So where do we need and why do we need? We need VLANs whenever we want to separate the traffic of one type of network from another one, but using the same physical infrastructure. For example, in our enterprise office, in our home, we want to separate our Wi-Fi traffic from our CCTV cameras, and we want to separate our CCTV traffic from our IT infrastructure traffic as well. For example, the servers and computers, they should talk, they should communicate using a different VLAN. Wi-Fi should have a separate VLAN and CCTV should have a separate VLAN. So here we can see a network has been shown where we have 3 VLANs. In this type of network, using the same physical router and switch, we have separate traffic. VLAN 1, all the Wi-Fi traffic is being transmitted. VLAN 2, IT servers, computers, their traffic is being transmitted. VLAN 3, all CCTV traffic is being transmitted using VLAN 3. So these are 3 separate networks and their traffic does not mix with each other. So this is very good solution for security, plus we can divide the networks irrespective of their geographical locations. This is called as VLAN.